Look at those bowls buzzing around. They sell from fruit to coffee to noodles.
You idiot. Baby papaya plant.
Cut in half. The wrong fish died. Here we are, the biggest city of Mekong Delta, Can Tho.
This city feels so lively and we are so ready to discover everything. The floating market, the ancient house and definitely much more.
We have 2 days to explore this amazing city. Let's follow me. What a beautiful step back in time. Binh Thuy Ancient House is absolutely stunning with its French colonial architecture.
I can already feel the history of that place. It's so well preserved. I'm really curious to learn the story behind it.
This house, super old. It's been around over 150 years, built way back in 1870s by a very wealthy family, the Yung family. Hey, I'm wondering if I can use this phone to make a phone to the past.
With the unique style of that house, it's always breezy inside. So it stays cool the whole time, even without AC. Maybe some of you recognize that building because in the year I was born, so 1992, it was a famous film set for the French movie The Lover. We really enjoyed that place here, but we have a lot more to discover. Let's go.
The Ong Pagoda is so vibrant and colorful. It's truly a feast for the eyes, and with all the complex carvings and the rich history.
The smell of the incense filling the air. It's a really well decorated place here, really peaceful and spiritual place. I'm really curious.
That is a Chinese writing. It means heart. So my own translation, if we do anything, we do with the heart.
Wow, that pagoda was really beautiful. So some short facts, it was built in 1894 and it took 2 years to finish that pagoda. And in 1993, the Vietnamese soldiers used that place to hide from the Americans. And now we walked across the street. And on this side you have a really beautiful park. You can walk next to the Mekong River.
Yeah, I enjoy walking here, river walk. However, it's the middle of the day and it's very hot, so we head into the pool.
So we go to our hotel and enjoy the cold pool. Now we're at the pool of our amazing hotel. I'm really curious to jump in because it's really hot. What hotel are we staying?
Sheraton Hotel, Can Tho. If you're interested in this hotel, we do a full video review. This hotel, you can find the link up here.
Or we put it in the description, whatever you want to choose. So one nice fact, that hotel is $88 a night. So I guess it's one of the cheapest Sheratons on the world. And it's amazing, believe me. So we had an amazing time in the hotel. We enjoyed the pool and everything. And where are we now?
Can Tho Market.
The night market. So looks like everything is closed for cars.
Yeah, so it's like a walking street in front of the market.
Yes, live music, a lot of things to eat and a lot of things to buy. So let's enjoy together. Looks like so many nice things here, but today we already found some restaurant, right?
Yeah.
And we're going to eat the elephant ear fish. But yeah, that if you're here in Can Tho on weekend, definitely go to that night market. It's really nice here.
Hey guys, some good news. If you're looking for some spot for Instagram pictures, you can come to Can Tho Laugh Bridge.
Looks like we have to cross that Laugh Bridge to get to the restaurant where we want to have dinner tonight. Still 20 minutes walk. Finally, we arrived at the restaurant.
Hey, I really hope that the elephant ear fish worth the 20-minute walk. We're sitting at Lúa Nếp restaurant. Lúa Nếp in English means sticky rice. It's like a symbol of Mekong Delta.
We are really hungry, but today we're not gonna eat some simple dinner, so we are going to eat a whole fish. A speciality from here, right?
Yeah, that's the elephant ear fish.
So our dinner for
I
tonight.
think we can ride this home.
But where are the elephant ears?
I don't know. That's the and maybe the elephant fin.
How we eat?
They will help.
Okay.
Yay!
We'll see how the elephant ear will taste.
The elephant ear fish, not elephant ear.
Like this. Still don't know why it's elephant ear fish. Maybe because a fish and the elephant had sex.
You touch it.
But what's the Vietnamese name?
Elephant ear fish? Really?
Because maybe Vietnamese have never seen an elephant before, so
Yeah.
they think elephants look like that.
Actually, that's the fin.
Okay. Maybe the fin is the ear of that fish. Maybe that fish hears with the fin.
They took away the bones.
Oh, thank you.
Oh!
Now the fish without bones.
Still in shape.
Try that monster. Do Vietnamese eat more seafood or more fish? What's the most famous fish in Vietnam?
Catfish.
Catfish. Why all your fishes have names from different animals?
Yeah.
Or a tiger fish too?
No.
Catfish. Mouse fish?
Monkey fish.
Really?
That's you.
Fish is good, but I'm always afraid that I will die on a bone. That around 1,500 people a year die in America because of fish bones stuck in their throat. Really dangerous. One of my favorite fish till now in my life. But I didn't have a lot of fish. The elephant ear fish is now earless.
The earless fish. How did you enjoy it?
It's really good. I like the fried version of that fish, really crispy skin, but still really juicy inside.
Okay.
Not a lot of bones, so I'm still alive. I will stay alive. And you?
Actually, I'm Vietnamese, but this is the first time that I try elephant ear fish. I liked it a lot.
Really nice. Our day today was packed full of adventure. Old houses, nice temples, chilling at the pool. Now we go back to our extremely comfortable Sheraton bed. Check the video. Then we will go for sleep because we need to get up really early tomorrow.
Yeah, to hunt for sunrise on Binh Thuy Ancient.
Excited? Good morning, my friends. It's still dark. The sun is starting to rise. We are fully motivated to go on a boat tour.
Floating market and visit a few spots too.
Yes. Enjoy that sunrise. And now we go to the boats. The sun is starting to poke her head up the horizon. We are now on the way to the floating market. The ride is about 40 minutes there with the boat, and it's really nice and beautiful. At the back here you can see the hotel where we stay, the Sheraton. You enjoy the ride till now?
I enjoy very much, very peaceful. I love how sun going up. Yeah.
This woman is selling food, selling pumpkins here. Here we have pineapple boat. And there is a dog taking care that nobody's stealing goods. Floating coffee shop. There's a beautiful garden here. on their floating house. Looks really nice. This boat sounds like having chicken inside. And there, people are selling fruits to tourists. Here we have the watermelon boat. So definitely you find all kind of fruits here and vegetables. There you see the floating gas station.
People in here, they stay here for 1 week or 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, if they have, when they don't have more vegetable or fruit, they're gonna go back to their home.
So now it's time for our first breakfast.
Floating breakfast.
Floating breakfast. We have, what do we have?
Rice noodle.
And what's the Vietnamese name?
Hủ tiếu.
Ho Tiếu. So I'm really curious.
Smells good, huh?
Smells really good.
Mix it.
Just gonna taste the broth. Really good, yeah. With that surroundings here, the floating market, the bustling market, it's really nice. Breakfast and coffee. And now we're gonna enjoy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Our excellent guide today. Can you believe it? He speaks Vietnamese, French, and English.
What's your name?
My name is Lam. Nice to meet you guys.
So you grew up here in that region, so I guess you know every corner of Can Tho.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what's really good here? Why people should come to that place?
In the world, we have a lot of floating market, but the kind of floating markets is the old one, the traditional one. So have a lot of the local people in here. They keep a lot of traditional activities. So just come here, and we can keep that culture and that beauty of Vietnam.
One of a kind floating market and a really nice day.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Rice Noodle Factory. That's the second part of our journey today. After the nice floating market, we're going to learn how to make rice noodles. Make rice flour.
As heavy as I am.
Okay, now she's gonna show us how to make the rice paper. Now you roll it. Okay, perfect. No, it's okay, it's okay. Very hot. So we're gonna cut them. We cut the rice paper, and after that we have the rice noodle.
Pepper. 1, 2, 3. No finger in because otherwise finger noodles. Yeah.
We're gonna try them like this. Normally 1 day,
Okay.
24 hours. With the red color like this, you can use this one, dragon fruit, for making the red color.
Okay. So the peel of the dragon fruit.
Yeah, the pink, and we have the blue one. We use this one is the butterfly pea flowers for making the blue color like this. And the green one, this one like painted lips. The painted lips, you can smell it. Smell very good.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
That was fun.
We had a lot of fun.
And now we move on to the next activity for today.
Let's go. Yeah.
The scenery here looks really like a scenery in the TV series The Peaky Blinders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
We're now at the cacao farm. Who of you has ever thought the Mekong Delta has cacao in his heart? I thought only fruits but not chocolate. But I'm excited.
It's very cool. Now we learn the process of making from cocoa pods to chocolate bars.
Here we have the different stages of the cocoa bean. These are the early stages and these are ready to eat. The first step of producing cacao is cut this fruit in half, put the beans out for drying, and after 2 weeks you have that product. Roast the beans on that fireplace. The second step, you put the dried beans in that machine and do it twice. So first time you remove the skin, and the second time you produce the cacao here. So that's the final product. The third step, you can put the roasted beans in here and press them, and then the liquid will come out and you will get the cocoa butter for the white chocolate.
And just like that, our Mekong adventure comes to an end here in Can Tho.
What an unforgettable journey from the bustling floating market to small canals. That Mekong Delta has truly captured our hearts.
We love every moment in Mỹ Tho, Bến Tre and Can Tho, meeting with very friendly and generous people and trying all the delicious food.
Thanks for joining us on that amazing trip, and don't forget to like, subscribe and write us in the comments what you want to see next and how you like that video. Until next time, keep exploring.